Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. Today, in between the rain showers, little bird over there. In between the rain showers, we're just capturing these are little seedlings from the Christmas palm tree seed. Let me get down there. You can see that's one of the old seeds. I leave some of the seeds there because when you're doing a bunch of these things, and the little birds and squirrels that go in and attack my stuff, they take the tendency to take those little white signs and throw them as they're just digging around. So I try and relabel as much as I can, but every once in a while I'll throw a seed in there because I know sometimes they just don't eat the seed. Raccoon or possum is a different story, but if there's nothing on it, there's nothing for them to grab. So what we're looking at is about 8 to 10 in each pot of the Christmas palm tree seedlings. This was from last year. They're a pretty hardy palm. They grow rather nicely. A great addition to any landscape palm. And if you're looking for a little extra color during the holiday season, what they do is they will produce their little palm tree seeds just towards the end of the summertime. The bract will come out, and then little by little these green seeds will blow up to about the size you see that one's there, and they end up somewhere through November, I believe, they start turning red. I guess hence the reason they call it the Christmas palm tree, because that's what happens. It comes about Christmas time. So let me just show you what this one looks like at the moment. They're very hardy, very structurally they look pretty good. I tend to repot these and put a little more soil in there, a little more palm tree seed, not seed, palm tree fertilizer to make Mother Nature grow a little better. And let me just over here. And as I was pulling weeds out, I noticed my alamander here. I gotta get that and fix it up and redo the label from 557 so it can stand out. And the reason I'm going crazy over here, I'm still looking for my tool. I've been listening for 5 weeks now. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. And we'll take you up over here. And we're getting closer to the Christmas palm tree. And there you can see all those seeds. See the color? It's we're first week of September. And there's quite a few seeds up there. There's still more bracts to come on the bottom. Not on the bottom, up on the top. And as time gets closer to November, they start turning a reddish color. And I'll show you on the bottom, but we're still in the weed city, and I finally got my weed killer from the store. I'm trying to see if you can see some of the red seeds on the bottom over there. And that's Mother Nature taking my Merrillii plant and just throwing it out there. So when my back feels a little better, I'll straighten it out. But that's coral creeper on the bottom. And there's my two, crotons. We get all sorts of crazy variations, but those are two. That's the yellow with the yellow, green leaf with the yellow spot, more yellowish tint to the leaves. And there's another variation with the green and yellow vein looking, right? And there's seeds. But anyway, just taking a look at the Christmas palm tree, and we'll just get back to the other ones and take a look around. What we're doing here, trying not to fall. Anytime I walk a little fast down here, yeah, you don't want to fall on cement. I hate that. And we're just going through a little growing area. We got lots of stuff over there. And here we go back to my Christmas palm tree seeds. So, seedlings, sorry. So, this is where I do a lot of potting, clean up, label, give away, and over the last, because of the COVID, can't get in contact. I ended up throwing a bunch of stuff out in the garbage. So it's I used to sell them on eBay, but eBay's come and gone. You can't compete with the big sellers because they didn't like when I gave away free gifts. So eBay said it's not nice to give free gifts when the other ones just like to sell stuff. So here's Marty from Dougherty Garden. Please like the video. We're going to go through each palm one day at a time. And I have the Dougherty Garden on Facebook. So if you want to stop by, join the club, and you'll get to see a lot of the pictures. And we also have several playlists of the videos on YouTube, which you can see all the stuff that's grown in the garden over the years. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, subscribe to the account Martin Dougherty on YouTube. Thank you. Take care. And we also share a lot of music because I'm into oldies. Basically, we're into memories, and since garden gives me a lot of good memories, I like sharing everything. Thank you. Bye-bye.